So we're at a truck event, big truck event. It's like a lot of cars in here. You guys check it out. This just some of them. The actual event is right across the street. So let's check them out. I just seen some familiar cars over here, trucks, and we're gonna keep walking until we see some more people that we do know. Here's the raffle. Let's see if I can join the raffle, win something. We're looking for Luis and Mel real quick.
Cool. We just wanted to put it out there that you guys have personal invite. So if you guys can make it out,
see you again.
Perfect, you know. Yeah, that's okay. And if you don't, then if you guys don't mind at least spreading use the word, reach out to our community. All right, man. Well, appreciate it, guys.
There's Hector again.
Here, stay right there. I'll take a picture of you guys.
There's a lot of rigs over here. That's crazy.
Love it.
Just checking out some rigs over here.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on B, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
Enter the raffle. You win that for $150. It's a big truck event. There's a lot of people from all over California that's here. People from Palmdale, San Diego, Orange County, and Riverside, LA. They all came from everywhere here. It's a big event. So the truck show is over with now. We're heading home too. We had dinner at the sushi place, but it's supposed to be an all-you-can-eat buffet, but we were waiting for 2 hours and we only had maybe 2 rolls that came out. So we walked out. We paid for the food we ate, but it wasn't worth the buffet that they were saying. So we're lost our appetite. So we're heading home now. Going home, and I guess I'm gonna end this vlog here. Real short vlog. Just walk around the truck show. And before this parking lot was packed, but now it's just us. Alright, I'm gonna end this vlog like I said, and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Chris Below is out. Peace. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.